mañana tu suelo sagrado lo amenazan pasiones extranjeras. Vive al viento tu hermosa bandera, a vencer a morir llamará.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is DJ live and direct from Long Beach, California. Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are on straight from the West Coast, Los Angeles, Long Beach. This is where we are, radiocentroamerica.com. We have a special show tonight, and tonight we are doing a tribute to Guatemala's Garifuna music. Yes, que mutia. This is Radio Centroamerica with DJ Labuga, Garifuna Music and Talk. Listen to my program every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. until 10:30 p.m. on www.radiocentroamerica.com, or you could download TuneIn to listen live every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Esta es Radio Centroamérica y su programa de música y de temas de la comunidad garífuna con DJ Labuga, que se transmite a través de www.radiocentroamerica.com todos los miércoles de 8:30 a 10:30 de la noche. Escúchenos. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. This is the beginning of a wonderful show. We have a lot of good music for you. We have music from Livingston, music from Puerto Barrios, music from the land of God, la tierra de Dios, Puerto Barrios y Zabal. Yes, we are live from 8:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. So pass the word, please. Let everybody know to tune in www.radiocentroamerica.com, or on your smartphone. You could download TuneIn and listen live. Okay, we're going to start the show with one song that was recommended to me. This is a song that was actually passed on to me by Robinson Sanchez, who is the former lead singer of Superbanda Caribe in Puerto Barrios. This is a song from Los Ángeles de Puerto Barrios, El Pan de la Vida. So we're going to get started. Vamos a comenzar con el show de hoy, tributo a la música garífuna, la música de Izabal. Vamos a empezar con un tema muy romántico y vamos a continuar con canciones. We're going to continue with music by Marconi Star, a.k.a. Mr. Marconi Núñez. Yes, we also have Gado Núñez, Ideal Castillo, Isanigu, La Superbanda Caribe, Black Fever, Paula Castillo, and many, many more. So stay tuned. This is DJ Labuga live and direct from Long Beach. Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga.
Cuando Dios hizo las flores, hizo el amor y el rocío de los primeros amores, nació el tuyo y el mío. El día que tú naciste, nació también mi destino. El día que me quisiste, nació este amor tan divino. Sin el amor no se vive, porque es el pan de la vida. El amor es tan sublime que sale del corazón. Sin el amor no hay consuelo, no habrá canción ni alegría. El amor vino del cielo, porque es el pan de la vida. El día que tú naciste, quisiste, nació este amor tan divino. Sin el amor no se vive, porque es el pan de la vida. El amor es tan sublime que sale del corazón. Sin el amor no hay consuelo, no habrá canción ni alegría. El amor vino del cielo, porque es el pan de la vida.
All right, yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is DJ Labuga live and direct. Okay, you just listened to the music from Los Angeles de Puerto Barrios. It's a beautiful jam. It's a nice song that was recommended to me by Robinson Sanchez from Puerto Barrios. He says that this was one of the songs that made it to the top charts in Latin America. This is one of the songs that remains even in the playlist of all radio stations in Latin America as of today. So that was a beautiful rendition of El Pan de la Vida, Los Ángeles de Puerto Barrios, un valor de allá de Puerto Barrios, la tierra de Dios. So this is DJ Labuga live and direct. We're doing a tribute to Garifuna music from Guatemala. In Garifuna, we have Gloria Osiris. Gloria Osiris happens to be the salsa lady from Guatemala. She's also known as Azúcar de Guatemala. Claro que sí, Gloria Osiris. And this is the song called Angelitos Negros. It's a beautiful song. So let's take a listen. Another proud musician from Izabal. She was born in Quiriguá. ¡Qué moteada!
Pintor, nacido en mi tierra, con el pincel extranjero, pintor que sigues el rumbo de tantos pintores viejos. Aunque la Virgen sea blanca, píntale angelitos negros que también se van al cielo, todos los negritos buenos. Dios, pintor de santos y alcoba, si tienes alma en el cuerpo, porque al pintar en tus cuadros te olvidaste de los negros. Siempre que pintas iglesias, pintas angelitos bellos, pero nunca te acordaste de pintar un ángel negro.
My God! My God!
nunca te acordaste de brindar un ángel negro, un ángel negro, un ángel negro.
La voz de Gloria Osiris con la melodía Angelitos Negros, un valor chapín, un valor de Ade Izabal, nacida allá en Quiriguá, si no estoy equivocado, o en Morales Izabal, para mejor ubicación, allá en la tierra de Bananera, Morales. Así es de que un saludo muy cordial para Gloria Osiris, que se encuentra allá en Houston, Texas. A big up to Miss Gloria Osiris, who is listening live in Houston, Texas, as we speak. Gloria Osiris is the proud salsera from Guatemala. She sang this beautiful song called Angelitos Negros. Okay, we're going to play another song, but not before I make an announcement. The Garifuna International Film Festival 2014, in association with GAHFU, presents its third annual film festival. It's a 3-day event, May 24th, 25th, and 26th, starting this Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It's going to be documentaries, films, music, and art. The focus is on the preservation of indigenous cultures. So it's May 24th, this Saturday, starting at 10 in the morning until 10 p.m., with a variety of films, including Broken Rainbow, The Fight to Forgive, Finding Samuel Lowe, Shift of the Ages, Stranded in Dangriga, La Corona, Revolutionary Medicine is the documentary of the first Garifuna hospital that was founded in Honduras, in the Garifuna community. Many, many more films, so this is going to be happening at the Electric Lodge Theater, 1416 Electric Avenue, Venice, California, 90291. Tickets are available at Eventbrite. You could go to eventbrite.com, or for more information, you can call Frida Sideroff at 310-663-5813. Once again, the Garifuna Film Festival International 2014. For tickets and information, you could call Frida Sideroff at 310-663-5813. GarifunaFilmFestival.com, also online for you to check out the movies and the documentaries that will be presented this 3-day weekend. Coming up Saturday, May 24th, Sunday, May 25th, and Monday, the 26th. Keynote speakers, Lina Martinez and Piper DeLums, MC James Janis. And don't forget that on Monday, Punta Cartel will be playing live at the Garifuna Film Festival on Monday, the 26th, at the Electric Lodge, 1416 Electric Avenue, Venice, California. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga.
Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United Incorporated, through its Clifford J. Palacio Garifuna Language and Culture Academy, invites you to the Saturday classes every Saturday at 11 in the morning at 8039 South Vermont, Los Angeles, California, 90044, corner of 81st and Vermont. For more information, visit our website, www.garifunaheritagefoundation.org, or call 323-898-6841. We are right on the corner of Vermont at 81st at the Community Center. Luba Furende GAHFU. Guest teachers every week. Don't forget, language and drumming, as well as Zumba Luma Punta classes for free for all, every Saturday beginning March 22nd throughout the year 2014, 11 a.m. for the Garifuna language classes and 12 o'clock for the Zumba Luma Punta. Get fit, stay fit with Zumba Luma Punta. Free classes for the entire family. Bring your drums and bring the family, and we'll have a good time. Learn Garifuna classes are interactive, and you will learn through singing and drumming. Come and learn about the Garifuna culture and history taught by Garifuna scholars from the diaspora. This is an invitation by GAHFU, the Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're listening to www.radiocentroamerica.com. This is DJ Labuga, Garifuna Music and Talk. And today we're paying a tribute to Garifuna music from Guatemala. Therefore, we have Gloria Osiris coming back for her second song. This is called Quiero Ser Tu Amante. La Guarachera de Guatemala. Temotea, Gloria Osiris.
Quiero ser tu amante, porque ya no aguanto esta sed de amarte. Yo quiero entregarme completa en tus brazos y volverme loca. Yo quiero contarte que cuando te sueño, tú me estás tocando. Y cuando despierto, soy un mar bravío que te está deseando. Ese día llegará cuando me entreguen tus brazos. Quiero que me hagas feliz, porque así lo estoy deseando. Quiero que me hagas soñar en el momento del lecho. Quiero sentir palpitar tu pecho con mi pecho. Quiero ser tu amante, mi amor, pero a lo derecho. Quiero ser tu amante, mi amor, pero a lo derecho. Quiero ser tu amante, mi amor, pero a lo derecho. Quiero ser tu amante, mi amor, pero a lo derecho. Quiero ser tu amante, mi amor, pero a lo derecho. Quiero ser tu amante y gocemos juntos. Quiero ser tu amante, mi amor, pero a lo derecho. Quiero ser tu amante, mi amor, pero a lo derecho. Quiero ser tu amante, mi amor, pero a lo derecho. Quiero ser tu amante, mi amor, pero a lo derecho. Quiero ser tu amante, mi amor, porque yo te amo. Quiero ser tu amante, mi amor, aunque no lo creas.
Okay, beautiful. That was the music from Gloria Osiris. We are live and direct. This is DJ Labuga with a tribute to Garifuna music. Thank you for listening. We are live every Wednesday. Don't forget, every Wednesday from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. So tune in and pass the word. This is DJ Labuga live and direct. Okay, now we're going to introduce to you one of the bands that made a lot of waves in Guatemala. This is Los Amigos del Batacha. For those of you who remember this band from the 70s and 80s, Los Amigos del Batacha, with this song called Barra. So we're going to listen live and direct. Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, live, a tribute to Garifuna music from Guatemala. Now playing Los Amigos del Batacha. ¿Qué motea? Guapito.
Ajá, la buga de que baile, su baile de guaya, grilla, humamos. Cugune de cugu, cugune, bari picha guguñe, bari picha guguñe, bari picha guguñe.
Carlos, ya te sabes de los patinos de Sucre.
Bugune de bugu, bugune, bari bicha bugonyige, bari bicha bugonyige, bari bicha bugonyige, bari bicha bugonyige, bugune de bugu, bari bicha bugonyige, bari bicha bugonyige, bari bicha bugonyige, bari bicha bugonyige. Acaba de ganar ole nakuo.
Amigos del Batacha familia. That's the beautiful music from Izabal, la tierra de Dios, Puerto Barrios, departamento de Izabal. Thank you for listening. This is DJ Labuga live and direct from Long Beach on www.radiocentroamerica.com. This is a weekly show every Wednesday from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. We have a beautiful tribute to Garifuna music from Guatemala. You just listened to Los Amigos del Batacha. Now we have a very old band, one of the bands that flourished back in the late 70s, early 80s. It's called Black Fever. Black Fever, back in the days, had a few members who were Garifuna. Let's see if I remember. It was Gado Nunez on the bass, Noli Palacios on the trap set or the drum set, and there was another gentleman on the congas, and of course on the lead vocal was Jeff Cooper. So we're going to listen to Black Fever, the later version of Black Fever, not the one from the late 70s and 80s. This is the later version of the 90s, but still beautiful. This is Black Fever on radiocentroamerica.com. ¿Qué motea? Guabina.
Y nadie le puede parar. So llora porque llegó el Black Fever. Ay, tum tum, mami, mami, no me. Vamos a tum tum, mami, mami, no me. Vamos a tum tum, mami, mami, no me. Vamos a tum tum, mami, mami, no me. Vamos tan pues, tum tum, no me puede matar. Ay, mamacita, porque soy una hermana. Tum digo que vaya a castigar. Digo todos los hombres voy a luchar con la bruja, no tenga que castigar. Tum, mami, mami, no me. Va a matar, tum, mami, mami, no me. Va a matar, tum, mami, mami, no me. Va a matar, mami, mami, no me. Va a matar, pues. Conozco a chicas que le gusta filmar y ella va al baile y no le gusta bailar. Con mis amigos y nos queda a playa. Y la moneda ninguno anda calla. Y la cerveza no le puede comprar. digo todo lo que quieres, un pasito para gozar, dan. Porque en el baile no le puede sacar, dan. Y a su casa no le puede llevar, dan. Y en la esquina no le pone meñar, dan. Y de repente yo lo oigo gritar, mami, mami, no me va a matar, putum, tum, mami, mami, no me va a matar, putum, tum, mami, mami, no me va a matar, putum, tum, mami, mami, no me va a matar. Digo que alza la mano si te gusta el chocolate, digo, alza la mano si te gusta el chocolate, digo, baten que baten, y chocolate, digo, baten, tú no vas a pagar, si no vuelves sin azúcar te pones sin sal, izquierda y derecha yo te voy a loquear, pum, putum, tum, no me puede ganar, porque está peleando contra un enera, tum, tum, mami, mami, no me va a matar, putum, tum, mami, mami, no me va a matar, putum, tum, mami, mami, no me va a matar, putum, tum, mami, mami, no me va a matar.
Yo te traigo ahora mi pupú, te digo corazón que es bueno, mira negra, yo te traigo ahora mi pupú, te digo que te gustará, te digo corazón que yo tengo el pum pum, que a todas las chicas por siempre ha gustado, la más dichosa ya lo han probado, y te digo corazón que no las he defraudado, después que lo han probado ellas siempre me han buscado, porque quiere más de mi pum pum, todos los hombres me miran de medio lado porque están celosos de mi pum pum, yo te traigo ahora mi pum pum, te digo corazón que es bueno, mira negra yo te traigo ahora mi pum pum, te digo que te gustará, la gran Madonna ya lo han probado, y por todos lados ella me ha buscado, pues mi pum pum te ha fascinado, pues ella dice que no ha encontrado otro pum pum que le haya gustado, y con mi pum pum ella se ha trastornado, yo te traigo ahora mi pum pum, te digo corazón que es bueno, mira negra yo te traigo ahora mi pum pum.
The station without borders. Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa. This is Radio Centroamérica with DJ Labuga, Garifuna Music and Talk. Listen to my program every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. until 10:30 p.m. on www.radiocentroamerica.com, or you could download TuneIn to listen live every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back again. This is a special show, a tribute to Guatemala's Garifuna music. And we have the one and only Noli Palacios, who recorded a beautiful song called Cerelac with La Buga Boys. A ver quién se recuerda del Cerelac. El Cerelac que se tomaba como la incaparina allá en Guatemala. Así es de que this is a beautiful rendition of Cerelac. It's a nice song by Noli Palacios along with La Buga Boys. Wata Cerelac. Vamos a tomar Cerelac. Es el nombre de esta melodía que vamos a escuchar en estos momentos en vivo y a todo color aquí con DJ La Buga, Garifuna Music and Talk, every Wednesday, 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. La Buga Boys coming up next, along with Noli Palacios in Cerelac. ¿Qué motea?
Mama la diga me, we need you to give me. We mama la diga me, we mama to give me. We mama la diga me, we need you to give me. We mama la diga me, we need you to give me. We number one, we number one, no puñeta. We number one, no puñetito. We number one, no puñeta. Mama la diga me, we need you to give me. My mama la diga me, we mama to give me. We mama la diga me, we need you to give me. Mama la diga me, we mama to give me. Thank Kamba wa don't kunye mama, Kamba wa don't kunye nito, Kamba wa don't kunye da. mama la diga me. We need you to give me my mama la diga me. We mama to give me, we mama la diga me. We need you to give me, need mama la diga me. We need you to give me that gamba wa tunye mama. We gamba wa tunye dao. We gamba wa tunye nito. Gamba wa tunye nate.
Yes, Mata Serelac, La Buga Boys, along with Noli Palacios. La Buga Boys started back in 1987, approximately. I was talking to Marconi Nunez, and Marconi came on board with La Buga Boys and recorded beautiful music as well. He recorded an album, vinyl actually, from Guatemala to New York, and from New York to Guatemala was the name of the album. But it had two songs on side A. Let's see, Wayaro Tadibulola, and on the other side, I forget the name of the song on the back side, but it was a beautiful song. We're gonna play it next. Right after we play another song by Noli. This is Noli again with La Buga Boys, Nitu Batibu. So this is DJ La Buga live, radiocentroamerica.com. I want to send a big shout out to our audience listening: Hector Vera, Frida Sideroff, Caroline Sams, Del Ogaldes, Ruth Molina listening in the valley out there in Riverside, I think. And also Mr. Roy Cayetano listening in Belize. Kendrick Lewis listening in Dan Griga as well. Thank you for listening. We are Radio Centroamerica, Garifuna Music and Talk. Yes. Kemotia, Mr. Hector Vera, Hector Zapata, listening live and direct to DJ La Buga with Garifuna Music and Talk. Okay, here we go. This is called Nito Batibu. With el baúl de los recuerdos, bring it back, the all hits, La Buga Boys.
Ay natu bati bukusa, ay niturawo. Ay neki bati bukusa, ay niturawo. Ay natu bati bukusa, ay niturawo. Ay neki bati bukusa, ay niturawo. Natu bati bu. Badibu, 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 neki badibu, 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 neki badibu, badibu. Oi!
This is Radio Centroamérica.
Natu bati bukusa, ay niturawo. Ay neki bati bukusa, ay niturawo. Ay natu bati bukusa, ay niturawo. Ay neki bati bukusa, ay niturawo. Neki bati bu. Badibu, natu badibu, ibadibu, ibadibu, badibu, ibadibu, badibu, ibadibu, natu badibu, ibadibu, badibu. Hui! Natu bati bukusa, ay niturawo. Ay neki bati bukusa, ay niturawo. Ay natu 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 bandi bukusa. Ay neki 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 bandi bukusa.
My God!
Natu badibu.
My God!
Badibu. Badibu. Ay badibu. Neki badibu. Ay badibu. Ay badibu. Badibu badibu. Ay badibu. Badibu. Neki badibu. Natu badibu. Ay badibu. Badibu badibu. 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 Ay badibu. Badibu badibu. Ay badibu. Ay badibu. Badibu. Tu badibu. Ay badibu. Badibu badibu. Neki badibu. Badibu badibu. Badibu. Tu badibu. Ay badibu. Badibu badibu. Ay badibu.
La Buga. And you just listen to La Buga Boys from Guatemala in New York, featuring Noli Palacios. This is a tribute to Garifuna music. This is DJ La Buga live and direct from Long Beach, California. So a big shout out to all of our listeners, wherever you are. Dora Valenzuela listening in the Valley. People who are listening in Irvine. Actually, that will be San Bernardino County. Thank you for listening to Ruth Molina. Kemotia, Wabina ha, Wafeduha. This is DJ La Buga live. Okay, we got Gado Nunez next. And this is the national anthem of the Republic of Puerto Barrios. This is by Gado Nunez in the self-titled song called Puerto Barrios. Kemotia.
Puerto Barrios, soy te canto, hermosa la bahía. Llama a ti que Puerto Barrios son tus bellezas, los que reflejan al visitante tanta belleza. Es lo que tiene sabor caribeño, lo que refleja. Y las mujeres son encantadoras, y las mujeres son encantadoras. Tanta belleza es lo que tiene sabor caribeño, lo que refleja. Y las mujeres son encantadoras, y las mujeres son encantadoras. Puerto Barrios, hoy te canto, hermosa la bahía. Llama a ti que Puerto Barrios son tus bellezas, los que reflejan al visitante tanta belleza. Es lo que tiene sabor caribeño, lo que refleja. Y las mujeres son encantadoras, y las mujeres son encantadoras. Tanta belleza es lo que tiene sabor caribeño, lo que refleja. Y las mujeres son encantadoras, y las mujeres son encantadoras. Mambo sabroso. Y las mujeres son encantadoras, las del rastro son encantadoras, las del estrecho son encantadoras, los de la 15 son encantadoras, los comerciantes son encantadores, los de la base son encantadores, los de la poli son encantadores, los locutores son encantadores. Puerto Barrio, Gado Núñez te canta, ¿ok? Las de la 13 son encantadoras, las de la 11 son encantadoras, las mariposas son encantadoras, las del pueblito son encantadoras, todos Santo Tomás encantadores, los de la playa son
quien dice que en Guatemala no se baila merengue sabroso y rico? This is Gado Núñez with Puerto Barrios, a nice merengue version of this beautiful song that he wrote, dedicated to his land, Puerto Barrios. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that was Gado Núñez. Now we have Ervin Arzu in a little bit of salsa, but in a Garifuna style. So you're going to hear this beautiful salsa song sung in Garifuna with a beautiful salsa arrangement. So we're live and direct. This is DJ Labuga.
This is RadioCentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa.
Yes, okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're live again. We're back. This is DJ Labuga, Garifuna Music and Talk every Wednesday from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Don't forget, this weekend we have the wonderful Garifuna Film Festival International 2014, starting on Saturday at 10 a.m. until 10 p.m., going on Sunday the 25th, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., and on Monday from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., and on Monday, they are going to have Punta Cartel live. On Saturday, they're going to have James Lovell from New York, Michael Flores from Dangriga, Belize, also Lucy Blanco and the Garifuna Ensemble, the jazz ensemble, will be here from New York along with James Lovell. So don't forget to pay a visit to Venice at the Electric Lodge Theater in Venice, California this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, sponsored by GAHFU, the Garifuna American Heritage Foundation, in association with and with the leadership of Frida Sideroff, Garifuna Film International 2014. Kemotea. Salsa en Garifuna with Ervin Arzu, Herbski. Kemotea.
En la
Anata oe haroga, no que ho bajo que me narege.
Nagame agüira,
Mira hoyo,
nagame agüira,
mata,
nagame agüira,
rigo heyo,
nagame agüira.
yamuto. Anata oe haroga, papo malo songo be, agamo be.
Yes, what a nice salsa, ladies and gentlemen. That was Irving Arzu, live and direct, labuga.com. This is radiocentroamerica.com. Thank you for listening out there in Dangriga. Mr. Kendrick Lewis listening live. He's another upcoming performer from Dangriga, Belize, who's listening live. Also, I want to send a big shout out to Verlaine Ramirez, Caroline Sams, Dale Ogaldes in Chicago, Luis Escobar from Puerto Barrios listening here in Los Angeles, and of course, everybody else out there who's listening on their cell phones, smartphones. This is DJ Labuga live and direct. You just listen to Irving Arzu in a little bit of salsa. Lida Garifuna style. Yes, que motia. Okay, so we got more music. This next tune again, let's see. We're going to play Baruru Funaru. No, Fudi. This is a song by, let's see. Hold on a second. This is a song by Mr. Irving Arzu. Once again, we're live and direct. DJ Labuga. This is Radio Centroamerica. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, a little problem right here on the computer, but we're going to try to fix the problem, and let's go. Yes, okay. Here we go. Let's see. Okay, so we're going to play a little bit of Fermín Arzu. This is Irving Arzu's brother, and this is a classic. This is a song that was recorded back in the late 80s. Once again, this is DJ Labuga, Garifuna Music and Talk, live from Long Beach, California. All right. Centroamérica. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are live and direct. We We have on the line the one and only Frida Sidorov, who is the person responsible and behind the Garifuna Film International. Hi Frida, how are you? Good evening. This is DJ Labuga live, RadioCentroamerica.com. How are you?
I am well, thank you, Natirani. Bitigunyo sumuto.
Buetuguño, Nito Frida. Thank you for calling us. Thank you for being here for us. I was getting a little bit nervous about the announcement because I wanted an official person behind this big festival that you and your husband are putting together this coming weekend, starting Saturday the 24th, Sunday the 25th, and Monday the 26th. Please fill us in. We want to know what's going on.
Well, we are very excited about this three-day celebration. The Garifuna International Film Festival, it's hosting its third annual event this weekend, beginning on May the 24th, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Each day, actually, at the Electric Lodge in Venice, California. The address being 1416 or 1416 Electric Avenue, Venice, California, 90291.
Beautiful. And let me ask you, Frida, the performances that are going to be along the movies that are going to be playing at the documentaries, for example, James Lovell, Lucy Blanco, and the Gary Jazz Ensemble, are they going to be performing at the Electric Lodge as well?
On the night of the 24th, yes.
Okay. Okay. What about next? Another performance.
On the 25th, Gunwi Posse will be performing, and our feature film for the night of the 25th is going to be a documentary from out of Mexico. I have so much going on, and there are many films. I had wanted to mention it, but so we'll have like about 20 documentaries that's going to be screened over the course of 3 days. All of those, the trailers and information can be found on our website, GarifunaFilmFestival.com.
Okay, beautiful. Yes, I was looking at the website, and it's got some good information. Tickets, if you want to buy your tickets in advance, that would be great. I know a lot of people are coming. I understand Michael Flores is coming from Dangriga, Belize to promote his documentary. Isn't that right?
That is correct. It's very exciting to know that a fellow Belizean, Garifuna, is traveling from Belize to be able to come to not only support but promote his film.
Excellent. So, Punta Cartel, I understand Punta Cartel will be performing live on Monday. So, where is that going to be? At the Electric Lodge or at the same location that you hosted a year ago?
No. The Electric Lodge is our venue for this year, and all events will be taking place at 1416 Electric Avenue, Venice, California. Are you aware that May the 26th has been proclaimed Garifuna International Film Day by the city of Los Angeles and state of California?
Excellent. Wow, that's good to hear.
Definitely, it's exciting news.
Very exciting, definitely, and it's deserving because I think the Garifuna community has been living in Los Angeles for quite a while. They are the movers and the shakers of the culture here as far as the Garifuna is concerned. You are at the forefront of a very important aspect of the Garifuna culture, which is the Garifuna Film Festival. One of a kind. It's never happened in New York. It hasn't happened back home, neither in Guatemala, Belize, Honduras, or Nicaragua, but it's happening here. This is the third annual Garifuna Film Festival, and I feel proud, and I want to congratulate you, Nitu, Frida, for putting the effort, for putting your money in the right place. Last year, we were glad to have Roy Cayetano from Belize. This year, you're bringing Michael Flores, you're bringing Lucy Blanco, James Lovell.
Lina Martinez from
Lina
Honduras.
Martinez. Yes, Lina Martinez from Honduras. A lot of people don't know who Lina Martinez is. Can you fill us in on who Lina Martinez is, please?
Well, Lina Martinez is, how would I describe Lina? Lina is a
entrepreneur, right?
A very amazing, what's that?
She's an entrepreneur. She makes some type of products that get imported from Honduras.
Ereba.
Yes.
Yeah, she makes Ereba, and she works with with her community of women who gathers to process cassava for to be exported abroad
To New
and
York. Yes.
It's a way of and it's a way of contributing to the financial well-being of the women in her community, and this is to be commended.
Yes, indeed. I am glad that you are bringing such a entrepreneur, such a person who is looking in the ahead in the future, because that's the way it should be. The people are investing money, buying cassava in New York. Hopefully, Los Angeles will be the next market to import this wonderful product from Honduras so that it could be distributed here to the Angelinos, Garinagu and non-Garinagu. How's that?
Yes, and actually there's going to be a special surprise, and I guess now it's not going to be a surprise at all, because Lina is going to be bringing pieces of cassava for each of us who attends the film festival.
Oh, I want some.
So be certain that you're there to be able to get a piece on the night of the 25th as well.
Yes, indeed. Okay, so we want to invite Luis Escobar, Caroline Sams, Dora Valenzuela, Verlaine Ramirez, Hector Vera, Dale Ogaldes in Chicago, even Roy Cayetano listening in Dangriga, and Mr. Kendrick Lewis listening in Hopkins, and of course Julie Lisette Flo to join us this coming weekend for the Garifuna Film Festival International. Those of you who are listening on your smartphones and I'm not able to see you, well, you are invited to come and join us for a wonderful 3-day celebration of the culture of a very important ethnic group, the Garinagu. There will be wonderful performances, there will be wonderful films, as well as documentaries, including Yurumain, The Homeland. It's a brand new documentary/film by Andrea Leland, who just released and published this wonderful documentary. So, again, I can't stress how important it is for you to support this event, and I want to, again, reiterate and congratulate you and your husband, Frida, for such a wonderful job in making sure that the Garifuna culture stays alive. Any closing words, Frida?
Well, in association with the Garifuna American Heritage Foundation, and it's a wonderful opportunity always each year for us to be able to collaborate as a community to be able to support the preservation of the Garifuna culture, including all indigenous cultures of our world.
Yes, indeed.
So I wish everyone a good evening, and I am excited and looking forward to receiving and welcoming each and every one of you to the 3rd annual Garifuna International Film Festival.
Beautiful. And it's going to be in the city of Venice, California. For more information, you could visit the website. Again, Frida, what is the website? www.
GarifunaFilmFestival.com. Also, Garifuna International Filmfestival.com.
Thank you so much, Nito Frida. We'll be there this weekend. We're going to be very busy, and let us support the culture. Garifuna people coming up. This is DJ Labuga live and direct. This is Radio Centro America every Wednesday from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. live and direct from Long Beach. ¿Qué, Motia?
This is RadioCentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa.
Okay, familia, we shall continue. We're doing a tribute to the Garifuna music from Guatemala, and this is Cesar Rojas, the messenger. This is Arabo. and direct. This is a tribute to Garifuna music from Guatemala. And you were just listening to Cesar Rojar, the minister. Yes, straight from New York via La Buga, Livingston. I want to send a big shout out to my very good friend Delo Galdes, who is on the other side of Facebook, chatting with me, telling me that she would love to be here this weekend in Los Angeles to be part of the Garifuna Film Festival International 2014. It's going to be nice. It's going to be hot. So, Delo Galdes, catch a plane, catch a ride. I know she just came back from Belize, but can't miss this girl. So we hope to see you, if not this year, next year. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are live again every Wednesday from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. This is RadioCentroamerica.com, and we have another artist from Guatemala. This is Ideal, Rolando Castillo, and a brand new recording we just got straight from New York. He went to Belize, did a recording along with Nuru, and he just sent us a copy of this brand new remake of the song Aule. So, Kemotia, Wabinaha, Wafeduha. Brand new from Ideal, Rolando Castillo.
Yes, Ideal Tele, Campabana.
Sano pure masa baromogunya. Katibinya sano pure masa baromogunya. Katibinya sano pure ay masa baromogunya kaputua batia. Katibinya sano pure ay masa baromogunya kaputua batia. Dakay na nyo turaba mula luwa linya larinya ko sulusia. Dakay na nyo turaba mule lua, linya la rinya kusurusia. Dagay na nyo, turaba mule lua, ay linya la rinya kusurusia, el estómago tu abube. Dagay na nyo, tiana mule lua, ay linya la rinya kusurusia, el estómago tu abube.
Puerto Barrios, Guatemala. A special tribute to Garifuna music from Guatemala. Right here, radiocentroamerica.com.
Gatibinya, sana upure masa baromogunya. Gatibinya, sana upure masa baromogunya. Gatibinya, sana upure ay masa baromogunya. Kago tua batia. Gatibinya, sana upure ay masa baromogunya. Kago tua batia. Dagay na nyo, turaba mule luwa, linya la rinya kusurusia. Dagay na nyo, turaba mule luwa, linya la rinya kusurusia. Dagay na nyo, turaba mule luwa, ay linya la rinya kusurusia, el estómago tu agube. Dagay na nyo, tiana mule luwa, ay linya la rinya kusurusia, el estómago tu agube. Gimme, 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 chupa, gimme, 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 hi. Aha, kung sungarin na bunyi. Chika, chupa, chika, chupa, chika, chupa, chika, gimme, gimme, aha.
Radio Centroamérica.
Chocolam también.
Dedicado a toda mi gente linda de Guatemala. Claro que sí. La puga. Su montura na su palicina. Mi caravana. Michunale. Ay, michunal, ay, michunalina. Ay,
You're listening to International Garifuna Band with Fakiri, with Chocolam, with Chente. Former Isanigu. Now International Garifuna Band. Kemotia. También de Guatemala.
Romperé la cadena. Abamena guyuo magiribu abadina anabagudo mena lumate. Abamena guyuo magiribu abadina anabagudo mena lumate. Ladies and gents, let's do this. Take it down. 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 All the way down. Now, ready? Bring it up. 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 Punta rocking all over the world. I'm a finger banaki, mama. I'm a finger banaki,
Centroamérica. Through its Clifford J. Palacio Garifuna Language and Culture Academy, invites you to the Saturday classes every Saturday at 11 in the morning at 8039 South Vermont, Los Angeles, California 90044, corner of 81st and Vermont. For more information, visit our website www.garifunaheritagefoundation.org or call 323-898-6841. We are right on the corner of Vermont at 81st at the Community Center, Luba Furende GAHFU. Guest teachers every week. Don't forget, language and drumming, as well as Zumba Luma Junta classes for free for all. every Saturday beginning March 22nd throughout the year 2014, 11 a.m. for the Garifuna language classes and 12 o'clock for the Zumba Luma Punta. This is RadioCentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. This is DJ Labuga. We're here live every Wednesday from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And if you are in New York, it's 11:30 p.m. So 8:30 on the West Coast, 11:30 in the East Coast. So don't forget to pass the word. Let everybody know that every Wednesday we have a date with DJ Labuga, Garifuna Music and Talk. So big up again to my very good friend Dale Ogaldes in Chicago, who is missing not being in Los Angeles this weekend. But because the Garifuna Film Festival is a yearly event, we hope that you could make it next year. So this year will be on Saturday the 24th, the 25th, and the 26th of May at the Electric Lodge Theater in Venice, California, from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. On Saturday, there will be the grand opening with James Lovell, Lucy Blanco from New York, and the Gary Jazz Ensemble. On Sunday, Gui Pasi live, along with many films and documentaries that will be playing day in and day out from 10 a.m. and 10 p.m. And on Monday, the 26th, Punta Cartel will be performing live. So don't forget, for more information, you could go to the website or you could visit Ronnie Figueroa on Facebook for more information and to get the flyer. So this is RadioCentroamerica.com, live and direct from Long Beach with DJ Labuga. Okay, so we're doing a tribute to Garifuna music from Guatemala. And no podía faltar nada más y nada menos que los hermanos Marcial. We would like to introduce to you Bata Miliki, the Marcial family, with one hit, this song that has been burning up in Livingston and Puerto Barrio for more than 3 years now. La Mali Papa. ¿Qué motea? Di wala 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 di wala wala. ¿Qué motea?
Wala wala
tribute to Guatemala's Garifuna music. I want to send a big shout out to Maritza Palacios, Juan Medina, listening live, Estelo Galdes again, Kendrick Lewis, listening in Hopkins, Belize. Also, my very good friend Chidiosito, Huerta Gonzalez, listening in Palmdale, Arnold Bernardes, Tony Fernandez, and all of you beautiful people listening out there. Thank you for listening. Remember, this is a weekly show. We're here every Wednesday from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Kemotian, a tribute to Guatemala's Garifuna music. Yes. Cuellar. Otro artista de Livingston. This is La Bugana. Para Julia Catalán de Puerto Barrios, que nos escucha en Los Ángeles. Big up to my very good friend Julia Catalán, listening live to Radio Centroamérica. DJ La Buga with Garifuna Music and Talk every Wednesday. Saludos, Julia. Every Wednesday. Esa es la música de Cuellar. That was a beautiful rendition to in honor of Sidhu, the late Sidhu. Rest in peace, Sidhu. A beautiful rendition of Cuellar's selection of songs. It's a nice punta medley. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are celebrating Garifuna music from Guatemala. Coming up next is the Garifuna Stars Band. This is one of my favorite bands. This is called Garifuna Star Power. It's the next song right here. Live and direct, labuga.com. This is DJ Labuga on radiocentroamerica.com.
Alexis, Usumati, Garifuna Star. Ni te más, ni te nito. When sisi usuha, nite ma chulunganito. When sisi usuha, waruku mangarina go, onduna na malisina, la buga na americana, wamala liondarala, wabeyuri wayunago, habeyuri yurumena, wabeku mangarina go, arensali wagaramo, nite ma, nite nito. When sisi usuha, chilo wayagwaya. Ladies, usuhat. Chilo wayagwaya. Ladies, usuhat.
Ok, familia, todo el mundo a la pista. A gozar y a bailar con Josefina. De parte de Garifuna de San Bando, ¿ok?
Josefina, mi gran pasión por ti, Josefina. ¿Cómo olvidarte, Josefina? Tu amor yo quiero, Josefina. Te canto con amor, Josefina. Me vibras de emoción, Josefina. Tuyo sin condición.
My God! My God!
Esta otra de Marconi. Se llama Pescado. Muy duro.
Adivinanza. Originaba, Catihuahuaco, inteligente, pero se mete. Originaba, Catihuahuaco, inteligente, anerme delijase. Kalalarme pay bachibune, hemagile, hasigile. Kalalarme pay batugurune, hemagile, hasigile. Saminda betia. Originaba, Catihuahuaco, inteligente, pero se mete. Originaba, Catihuahuaco, inteligente, anerme delijase. Kalalarme pay bachibune, hemagile, hasigile. Kalalarme pay batugurune, hemagile, hasigile. Akasa hasibenito, arenga bay. Okasa hasibenate, arenga bay. Uye bebe yebe mami, o hasigile. Chibaye bebe yebe nito, o hemagile. Hasidinito.
This is Radio Centroamérica.
Check it, honey. Nadie me tiene luego, jalarme la negra pasito. Nadie que busca lenate, vamos a una buguera que va a tirar uno. Ella no da tu multigusa, su meja tienda se dirá. Oh, oh, mate tabucero, mambo no 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 te amo como so. Pero tú no vos. Pero tú no vos.
My God! My God! Para la mujer
Reached the end of the show. We have one more song to include. That was Paula Castillo, of course, the queen of Punta Rock. And I wanted to make sure we listen a couple of songs from Paula. That was nice. Thank you, Paula Castillo, another Garifuna performer, another Garifuna artist from Guatemala. So this is a tribute to Garifuna from Guatemala tonight. RadioCentroamerica.com with Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga. Okay. Next we have, and this is the last song, this is the Garifuna Boys from Livingston. This is an album that was recorded by some Europeans, and it's called Anihinkate Bimetiya. Okay, so this is the Garifuna Boys from La Buga, Livingston. It's an album recorded on the field in Livingston. So let's take a listen. Gracias por haber escuchado. Gracias a Julia Catalán. Gracias a Maritza. I'd like to thank everybody out there listening to my show every Wednesday from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. all the way from Hopkins to New York to the Valley to San Bernardino County here in California. Kemutia wabinaha wafeduha. Luma DJ La Buga. Here we go. Música de Guatemala.
Loco va puta guayaba, tengo guapo maru mortele, masilona pe. Enatito loco va puta guayaba, tengo guapo maru mortele, masilona pe. Nire cate pimetía, nire cate se metía, nire cate pimetía, nire cate se metía, nire cate pimetía. Mire se metía, o puta guaya patianito, mire cate metía.
This is Radio Centroamérica.
With this song, we'll say goodbye. We'll see you next Wednesday, family. Sofía Blanco y grupo Ugundani from La Buga, Livingston. Yes, Kemutia.
betane, fatiriwa serutinu.
Magainda ba lo kuna dia wana mito.
Magainda ba gagere kokamune. Ayara geba ingame kabukunito.
Magainda ba lo kuna dia wana mito.
Magainda ba gagere kokamune. Ayara geba ingame kabukunito. Iye buati na kabukunito wano. Iyo kuni mabuchini na muleno. Makuburaha numuti nebegi na magiye. Iye buati na babyo ninyura wako. Agina na buri habuchini ni saniko. Makuburaha numuti nebegi na magiye. Magainda ba ang agiya wananito. Magainda ba lamere pagmamuli. Ayaw ba iname pagkukunito. Magainda ba ang agiya wananito. Magainda ba lamere pagmamuli. Ayaw ba iname pagkukunito. Au banyonia menyo mapuno. Dani wagugu sa begya no putemeta. Veridina hallelujah wano bago. Au banyonia busa mapuno. Dani wagugu menyo busa no putemeta. Veridina hallelujah wano bago. Magainda ba lo mabia wanamito. Magainda ba gagere pagamuli. Ayara gaba iname pagukunino. Magainda ba lo mabia wanamito. Magainda ba gagere pagamuli. Ayara gaba iname pagukunino.
This is RadioCentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa. Esta es Radio Centroamérica y su programa de música y de temas de la comunidad garífuna con DJ La Buga, que se transmite a través de www.radiocentroamerica.com todos los miércoles de 8:30 a 10:30 de la noche. Escúchenos.
To Elia Susana Fuentes listening in Long Beach. Que mutia, Butiguño.